In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Dear students, hope everyone is fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, today we will discuss global warming. Learning objectives of today's lesson are: students will be able to explain greenhouse gases, global warming, and predictions made by scientists studying global warming. Dear students, the Earth is surrounded by air which acts like a layer of insulation, keeping heat in, just as in greenhouse. Two gases, carbon dioxide and methane, are very good at keeping the heat, and this is why they are called greenhouse gases. They have been very useful in making the Earth warm enough for human life. Dear students, the amounts of carbon dioxide and methane in the air are increasing. The increased greenhouse effect is causing the Earth to warm up slowly. This is called global warming. Dear students, how it happens. Heat radiation from the sun passes through the atmosphere and hits the Earth's surface. Most of the heat is absorbed by the Earth and warms it up. Some of the heat is reflected back. Most of this heat escapes into space, but some of the reflected heat is trapped by greenhouse gases and reflected back to Earth, causing global warming. Dear students, the increase in carbon dioxide is mainly due to burning more fossil fuels, but all over the world trees have been cut down to make space for farming and building homes. Fewer trees mean less photosynthesis. Less photosynthesis means less carbon dioxide is taken from the air. Dear students, methane comes from marshy areas, such as where rice is grown, and from cattle as they belch and break wind. More rice and more cattle mean more methane. Dear students, in the last 100 years, the temperature at the Earth's surface has risen by about 0.5 degrees Celsius. That may not seem too much, but the rate of warming is increasing. If this continues, there would be a huge changes for all of us. We need some greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Without them, the average temperature on the Earth would be about 35 degrees Celsius lower. It is very unlikely that life as we know it would be able to exist at such a low temperature. Dear students, there are just some predictions made by scientists studying global warming. More ice in the Arctic and Antarctic will melt. This is happening already. Sea levels will rise as the ice cap melts. Low-lying areas of the world will flood. Some Pacific islands will be drowned. Dear students, weather patterns will change. Some areas will suffer droughts, and crops will fail. People will starve. There will be more refugees. Other regions will have more frequent storms and floods. Mosquitoes and other insects which live in warm places will spread to new areas, possibly carrying diseases. Dear students, today you have learned some new words. You are required to know the meanings. Words are insulation, radiation, methane, Arctic, marshy areas. Dear students, go through this video again for better understanding. Solve the attached worksheet to test your concept. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.